So this is Dave Cassesi, recruiting professional here. Wanted to address what I think is an ongoing issue with candidates. Those are job seekers, by the way, and their resumes. I use AI every day. I use it at work. I use it in my personal life. So I think it's great. But what's going on is now, since everybody's using AI to write their resumes and making their resumes look exactly like the job descriptions, every resume looks the same, basically. And so just a tip for some job seekers out there. This might be something that an AI version resume might come back and say. For example, as a summary: results-driven customer service professional with exceptional communication skills and proven ability to resolve customer concerns. That sounds great, but that sounds like everybody else. Something that might sound better and more personalized, which is what I recommend people do. Use AI to help format the resume, help get you some ideas, but try to make it, more personal to what your experience actually is. So, for example, a better summary or a better line in a resume might read something like this: handled 80 to 100 customer calls per day, resolved billing and account issues, consistently maintained a 95% customer satisfaction score, met monthly quality and attendance goals. That sounds a lot better than the first one, which is sort of just kind of generic, right? The first line, the results-driven customer professional with exceptional communication experience, just kind of tells the audience who you think you might be. Whereas the second line, handled 80 to 100 customer calls per day. That's actually something you did, and that's more important. We'll get a second or third look by somebody that's reviewing the resume, whether it's an HR person, whether it's a recruiter, whether it's a hiring manager. Another example might be AI might produce something like this: a results-driven professional with strong communication skills and the ability to multitask in a fast-paced environment. All right, that sounds good. Okay, that's great. But something that might sound better would be answered 70 to 90 inbound customer calls daily, helping customers with billing questions, account updates, and service issues. Something that's more specific to, exactly what your experience is and what you did would be better on a resume than just something that's generic. So these are just some tips, from a staffing and recruiting professional that's been around for 35 years. So in any event, that's it. Good luck on the job search. I know it's getting harder and harder for folks looking for work out there. Reach out to me if you have any questions about anything, and I can see if I can steer you in the right direction or help. All right, thanks. Bye.